use a combination square to make sure I have the same height with each one. Now I'm contemplating making an acrylic template for this design, so one could just, as the flush trim bit has a wheel on it. So we're going to remove the template here in a minute, and then we're just going to go a ½ inch deep.
One day, as we were finishing up recess on the playground, she came up to me, pulled my hair, and yanked some out. That was the last
Let's move on to chopping up some more lumber, because we need to work on that top, while I mill and flatten.
Now is the time to maintain the dream. You need to work an hour long.
The playground was built in a weird way, with an enclosed area in the middle of 3 bridges that formed a triangle you couldn't get out of easily. Sometimes us bigger kids would jump in there during hide and seek and climb out later, but Cindy couldn't because she was shorter. So I picked her up, threw her down in there, and went back inside. It wasn't until about an hour later that the teacher realized Cindy wasn't in class. I didn't say where she was, and it took them another ½ hour to find her. I got in trouble and had to spend the next week in the principal's office and lost my Game Girl for a month.